So how you can create this Cartoonize video in AI powerful tool with 3 easy steps. So hey guys, welcome back to another AI video. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So our first step is select the video and arrange them into the folders with names like that. So I create the folder for the original file. Now open the Premiere and drag the file into the project box. Now go to the sequence setting and set the sequence setting at 1280 and 720p. So drag the file on the timeline. Now select the video and go to effect control and decrease the size of the video according to the timeline. So again select the video and trim out the favorite part of your video and delete unwanted part. So now go to the file, export, media. Here you can rename the file like test. Now go to the location. Now here you can create new file folder with export images Premiere Pro. Hit OK, select the folder. Now go to the format and hit it on to the PNG sequence. Now export the file. So now we check the export images folder. So here you can see that the Premiere Pro export the video in images in 1 by 1. So here you can find that, you can see here this is the frame by frame images. So our second step is create new file with 1280 width, 720 height and 96 resolution and hit the create button. So here in the export images you can select any frame of image like this one and drag into the Photoshop and adjust here. So now go to the filter, styles and select the oil paint. So now set your value according to this image and hit OK. Now go to again filter, filter gallery. Now here you can find the poster edges and set the value 006, hit OK. Now again go to the filter, filter gallery, and now here you can check the cutout filter and set the value 803, hit OK. So now go to the export images file folder. So here you can check the extension of the file. So our file is .png. So go to Photoshop, file, export and hit export PNG. So here you will create new folder with the name of reference image, hit OK and save it. So now you can check that the reference image folder, our file is export in the PNG like this. So if you don't want to use Photoshop, you can select any platform online like pixar.com. Here you will upload the file and you can choose any different filter from here. So now go to the folder to export images Premiere Pro. So here you will copy the full file name and paste it to the reference image. The one thing you should to note here, the export image file and the reference image file name should be same. So now our third part is go to the website. That name is ebsynth.com. So here you can create this type of video that website are showing you, and here you can download the software for Windows and Mac iOS. So I have already downloaded and go to the selected file location. So my software is downloaded and installed. So now I am going to open this. So first of all I am giving you the overview of this software. So this is the smallest software that you can use it easily. So our first path is the reference image. So this is actually for reference image and this is for the export images that we export in Premiere Pro. So this is the value where you can start and where you can stop. So this is the path where you can render the final images. So now start the software. So select our first reference image, go to reference images folder and select this. Now here you can select and find the export images. So select the first image and hit open. Now select the path where you can render this. So here I am create new folder with the name of render images. So here you can select the folder. So now finally you can select the run all. So don't go anywhere and support me as a subscribe my channel for daily AI based videos. So don't forget like, share and comment. So guys, our process is now done. Now check the related folder. So you can check the folder render images. here you can find our final images. You can open this and check this. So our images are now perfectly rendered. So now go to the Premiere Pro project section. Here you can hit the right button and import the final render images. So our final images in render images folder. So select this, and now you can hit first image and select this image sequence checkbox. So don't forget to check this. So now open the images, hit the sequence and drag into the timeline. So here you can find your images now combined. So go to the file, export, media, and here you can write the name test video. So select the location, and here on the format you should to check on the H.264, that is a video format, and hit the export button. So our video is now here exported. Now play and check this. So here you can find our videos exported in Cartoonize videos. So if you follow my steps, you can easily make any video in Vectorize or Cartoonize. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, bye bye.